So it is officially summer, of course, and beyond battling the heat, many of us are beating back, cutting down, and keeping up with our growing grass and plants and weeds throughout our yards. 5 on Your Side's Keely Arthur shares the top tips now and tools to help set you up for a lovely landscape this season and beyond.
Amid droughts, extreme heat, and other things, people are welcoming clover into their lawns and trying other traditional lawn alternatives. But no matter what kind of yard you're working with, a good lawnmower might come in handy.
It's easy to get distracted by the features that some of these units come with, but if you've got a quarter acre or less, the basic unit will cut your lawn and keep it looking great throughout the summer.
Go green and get a mower with top scores for even cutting, mulching, and handling with this electric battery-powered skill.
A good trimmer can really tidy up an outdoor space. Consumer Reports tests string trimmers based on its ability to handle tall grasses, weeds, and how quickly and neatly they can trim along walkways. Consumer Reports says electric battery-powered ones are the ones to beat.
The great thing about these battery platforms is that most manufacturers are offering a variety of products that work with the same battery.
This Ego string trimmer earns top scores across the board, and you can use that same battery and charger for Ego's electric hedge trimmers. Finally, keep your lawn and plants hydrated. Consider a smart hose timer.
Smart hose timers are basically just timers you can control on your phone. It helps with making sure that you're not overwatering your plants.
This Devo Smart Sprinkler is an affordable option that works well with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Keely Arthur, 5 on Your Side.
I need one of those. I left my sprinkler on all night the other day.
Oh boy!
I know that's a foul. You shouldn't do that. It was a mistake, but I'm waiting to see what the bill looks like.
Yeah,
That'll be my
exactly.
punishment.
Oh boy!
Also, a chainsaw. A Consumer Report says it can come in handy. We get a lot of fallen branches and limbs, a lot of summer storms this time of year. They recommend the chainsaw from that electric lineup of tools. People don't want to use gas anymore. It makes sense.
Yeah, we've used those before. They're effective. They're good.